Welcome to Resort Style Living. It's one part Hollywood, one part relaxation, and one part hard work. It's an entertainer's dream, a fashionista's paradise, and it will elevate your lifestyle.
I've been looking for something that would give me peace of mind. You make me insecure, I pretend that it's good when I'm not. 'Cause I'm happy.
It's a private oasis that could be yours. I'm Megan Fass. Welcome to luxury. Redesigned for long-term enjoyment with design features, style, and elegance unlike any other. Bar, gym, theater, sauna, it's your own personal funland. And have you ever seen a zen-like suite like this? This is incredible. It's like having your own spa. And with all this outdoor living, you can live your best summers. No need to pack your bags when you have resort living like this right here.